Can you get the eggs?
Can you see the eggs, Alex? What are those funny things?
Did some silly rabbit leave eggs on our fence? Can you put them in the basket?
Taking them out the basket. You don't want them in the basket. There you go. Oh, that one's escaping.
Can you go find some more eggs to put in your basket? Or are you happy with those two?